Matches blow out. Cheap lighters fizzle. But these are windproof, rechargeable, gift-worthy gadgets that make you wonder why you didn't switch sooner. Today, 5 of the smartest electric and torch lighters on Amazon. All unlimited time deals ready for your next barbecue, camping trip, candlelit dinner, or holiday gift exchange.
This is pure elegance with brains. A windproof, splash-proof arc that works whether you're on a breezy patio or lighting candles during a power outage. The 360-degree rotatable neck slides into deep jars and lanterns without tipping them over. The slim aluminum alloy body and rose gold feels like a designer pen in your hand. And that built-in battery display? Genius! You always know exactly when to recharge. One full USB charge gives you around 600 ignitions, so it's ready when you are. Think Mother's Day, hostess gifts, or even self-care nights.
2 weather-resistant USB rechargeable lighters for under $7. One for the kitchen, one for the glove box. A 10 inches long with a 4-inch bendable elbow, these reach inside grills, campfires, and tall hurricane candle holders with 0 risk of burned knuckles. The plasma arc technology laughs in the face of wind or drizzle. Fold them down to just over 6 inches and slip them into a backpack or drawer. Compact, portable, reliable. This is the set you'll wish you bought 2 of. The budget hero of the list, but with premium touches. This zinc alloy lighter sports a long, flexible neck that snakes into tight spaces, from deep wax candles to camping stoves. The LED battery display is a small but game-changing feature. No more guessing charge level. Multiple safety protections and a lock switch make it perfect for family homes. It's windproof, rechargeable, and slim enough to throw in a purse, making it a go-to for patio parties, weddings, or emergency kits. Think luxury letter opener meets eco upgrade. This slender aluminum alloy lighter feels high-end and replaces up to 300 disposable lighters, saving you cash while keeping waste out of landfills. Windproof arc ignition means you can light a birthday cake outdoors without a meltdown. Great for daily candle rituals, travel, or gifting to someone who loves a little style with their function. For the serious flame fans, this 5-inch zinc alloy torch hits 1300 degrees Celsius, cutting through wind like it's not even there. The visible fuel window means no more "is it empty" guessing games. Ideal for BBQs, fireworks, campfires, cigars, or even your kitchen creme brulee. It's rugged enough for outdoor survival kits, but sleek enough to gift to Dad for Father's Day. Just remember, it ships without butane, so grab a canister before lighting up. These prices are live right now, but they will jump back. Stocks are already moving. Check the link in the description and lock in the deal before it's gone. Upgrade your light game, save money, beat the wind. You'll never look back.